Springboks Unites South Africa, a celebration for Africa. Hello, wildlife enthusiasts and global explorers. Welcome back to Africa is Not a Jungle. Today, we shift our focus from the mesmerizing savannas to a celebration that reverberates through the heart of South Africa, uniting a nation and echoing across the entire African continent. But before we delve into this extraordinary tale, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Join us as we embark on a different kind of adventure, a celebration for Africa. In the midst of vast grasslands and thriving ecosystems, a different kind of heartbeat resonates. Today, we step away from the pulse of the plains to witness the celebration that the Springboks brought to South Africa and beyond. This victory is more than a sporting achievement. It's a celebration that unites South Africa in a moment of collective joy and triumph. The Springboks, through their remarkable feat, have become a symbol of resilience, unity, and the unwavering spirit of a nation. Number 1. Symbol of Pan-African Resilience. The Springboks' historic victory goes beyond national borders, symbolizing resilience and triumph for the entire African continent. Their achievement resonates as a beacon of hope and inspiration for nations facing challenges, fostering a collective celebration. Number 2. Diverse representation on the field. The Springbok team is the manifestation of South Africa's rich diversity, featuring players from various backgrounds and communities. This inclusivity showcases the nation's unity, setting an example of a harmonious Africa where diverse cultures celebrate together. Number 3. Africans united in the spirit of sportsmanship. The Rugby World Cup becomes a platform where African nations, regardless of their team affiliations, come together in the spirit of sportsmanship. The Springbok success becomes a shared victory, reinforcing the idea that triumph for one African nation is a cause for celebration for all. Number 4. Inspiration for future generations. The Springboks' journey serves as an inspiration for aspiring athletes across the continent. It highlights the potential for success against all odds and becomes a catalyst for nurturing sporting talent in Africa, fostering a culture of celebration for achievements yet to come. Number 5. Cultural exchange and appreciation. Through rugby, South Africa engages in cultural exchange with other African nations, fostering understanding and appreciation. The celebration of the Springboks' victory becomes a bridge that connects diverse cultures, emphasizing the shared heritage of the continent. Number 6. Showcasing Africa's unity in diversity. The Springboks' triumph showcases Africa's unity in diversity, where different nations, languages, and traditions find common ground in the celebration of a shared achievement. It becomes a reminder that Africa's strength lies in its diversity and collective spirit. Number 7. Elevating Africa's global image. The Springbok success elevates Africa's global image, demonstrating excellence, resilience, and unity. The celebration becomes a moment of pride for the entire continent, reshaping international perceptions and inviting the world to join in acknowledging Africa's achievements. Number 8. Fostering a continent-wide sense of belonging. The celebration surrounding the Springboks' triumph fosters a sense of belonging among Africans. It transcends national borders, inviting individuals from different countries to share in the joy and unity. This reinforces the idea that success for one is a celebration for all of Africa. This has been Africa is Not a Jungle, shifting our focus from the wild plains to the jubilant streets of South Africa. If this celebration resonates with you, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Until our next adventure, whether on the rugby field or in the heart of the wilderness, remember, Africa is not a jungle.